Hi there, it's Tom and Joy Team again. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify store credit and Joy. If you want a very simple, right out of the box cashback program, you can just use Shopify store credit. It's about quite a lot of things. You can just credit the store credit to your store balance, like your customer balance, like 10. You can minus it using debit and something like that. You can choose your chain, or maybe you can have the expiration date. And after you do that, you go to customer profile, and you can see that this is the customer balance on here, and customer can just use everything with the Shopify store credit like this. They can apply store credit right out of the box. A very simple way. But the only thing that they have to use all the store credit in one checkout. So that's the only drawback. And if you go back, make sure that you turn it on in a customer account. You go for store credit, enable it, and you're good to go. So, alright, if you want a cashback program, you can just go to the customer details page and issue store credit like that. You need a way to automate it. So, now I'm going to show you how to use that with Shopify Flow. So, you go to Shopify Flow page, and you can see that I have two Shopify Flow, which is to store issue store credit and one to refund the store credit. So, I'm going with a very simple version, and I'm going to show you an expanded version later on. And you can see that we have a auto page. You can have just like auto fulfill, but it depends on how you want to set it up. And you have all the emails over here in the adjust store credit action of Joy. And you can have this calculation over here using liquid if you want. As you can see here, I want to have a 2% cashback rate for the order, and this is for the reason, and a note showing up in Joy. So if you go to our guide, Shopify Flow, store credit, and you can see that there are a bunch of formulas you can try out, like subtotal. You can have subtotal and shipping rate, shipping fee, whatever you want. But the thing is, try to keep it simple as I can do now, so that you can understand the most basic stuff that we're talking about. So in here we can have a refund, the same thing as using the store credit, but I'm going to have a minus symbol here, and I have refund, total refund set, shop money amount divided by 50 to keep the same rate as the using of the store credit. So I'm going to route it by 2. So, and this is the message. So it's quite simple enough, so I'm going to try it out. Alright, so on the checkout page, I'm not going to untick the store credit here. I'm going to place it all, and I'm going to have like 1, 2. Alright, so I'm going to place it, and you can go here in this flow and you load it. You see that the most recent run will be up here, over here, and just now one complete. And you go to the customer order, you see the new order coming in. You click on the customer. This is the customer. Alright, so you can see that we have the balanced issues, like 14 credit to the store credit just now. Yeah, and the next thing I want to do is that I going to refund it, and maybe I can just cancel the order, sort of something like that. Yes, I'm going back here. I'm going to click on refund one item. Not going to refund the shipping. I should refund it all. And let's just go to the Shopify, our Joy, and you can see that we have the activities showing up in Joy as well. Alright, so we can have this refund. Alright, so going back to refund store credit. Just now, one event. Lovely. Yeah, just go back and go back to the customer page. And you can see that we have the debit to customer balance by 14 for now. And so it's working, right? And the thing is, it's quite simple. So we do more with it? Yes, we can. We can do like something like this. I'm going to show you. We can do store credit. Sometimes I went on the page. We want to have like check a bit tier. I want if it's bronze tier. I want to like 2%, something like that, 2%. I want the 2% for the silver and 5% for the for the gold tier. So in order to do that, we need to check the meta field. Like I'm going to order customer joy tip value. So if you're going to add criteria, you can just search the order the customer, scroll down to over here, and you can meta field, or you can just type in the meta field. At first, if you have not added anything, it would be you need to search for the meta field, like the meta field of customer. That's what you need to do. Maybe this. Let me see. Alright, you just click on select one. I already selected one, so we're not going to show. Yeah, okay, so that's cool. And that's just how you do it. And you can update to the refined Shopify flow as well. But we're going to add a Shopify flow template to this. We hope that you have. But it needs Shopify to approve that template. But you can understand that you can get a lot of inspiration from this. And they'll do a very simple store credit uses. And you can also use Shopify store credit liquid to update your customer account, so you can show it up, like show the store credit balance over here. One of the most even a more easier way to do it, that you can just have a point program with our app like Joy, and you can just have like $1 like cashback 2%, and you redeem 1 point for 1 credit. So just name it like dollar credit or something like that. So it's just like currency. So treat the point as a currency. So it's quite the same idea. But if you want to use Shopify store credit, you can do it. It will be like right out of the box with Shopify. It's so native with Shopify, and if that's what you want to do, and it maybe support the payment a little bit much better, and it's your store currency and it's real money. So if you want to do it. But you want to use a point along with that, yeah, it's good to go. I hope that this video helped you with how to set up a store credit, and it inspires you to do much more with Shopify Flow, and maybe enable much more way to reward your customer. You know what, the sky's the limit, right? And I hope that you like it.